Hello everyone, welcome to Tuts Blocks. In this tutorial, I'm going to provide 10 useful keyboard shortcuts in Windows. Provided shortcuts will enhance your working speed in Windows. Using these shortcuts, you will learn to use keyboard in better way. Further on, you can utilize your time by minimizing the use of mouse for a specific task. 1. Ctrl plus Alt plus or minus. Resize icons. Using this keyboard shortcut, you can resize icons depending upon your choice in Windows. Just select one icon and press Ctrl plus Alt plus key to increase size. And press Ctrl plus Alt plus minus key to decrease size. Similarly, you can do with other files and folders. 2. Ctrl plus Windows plus C. Switch color filters. This cool shortcut will help you to switch color filters in your Windows. Before you move on, make sure to enable the shortcut if it is not enabled by heading to color filters. Then just press Ctrl plus Windows plus C key. Now you can see the black and white filter. Three. Windows key plus full stop or semicolon. Get emoji. Emoji provides us better way to interact through text along with amazing look. What if you want to include emoji in your message or any text? Just press Windows key plus full stop or semicolon. Then you'll get new window with emoji. Just select and insert it. 4. Windows key plus spacebar. Switch languages. It's really time consuming to switch languages manually. Now you can easily switch languages in seconds. Just press Windows key plus spacebar, as here you can see the language switching box. Just select language by pressing spacebar each time to choose and go easy. 5. Ctrl plus Windows key plus O. On-screen keyboard. This shortcut key will open up keyboard layout of selected language. Just press Ctrl plus Windows key plus O. Now you can work with on-screen keyboard. 6. Ctrl plus F. Find text over web browser. This keyboard shortcut will come handy when you are trying to find text over web browser. Just go to your web browser. Then press Ctrl plus F and search on. You will see result in highlighted form. 7. Windows key plus U. Open display setting. You probably don't want to kill your time just moving on to display setting manually. Now just press Windows plus U and you can customize display setting. 8. Alt plus Enter. Show properties. Using this shortcut key, get properties of selected folders or files easily. Just select and press Alt plus Enter. You will get the required properties. Further, you can do it for any kind of files and folder. Nine. Control plus Windows key plus Enter. Open Narrator. What if you want Narrator to go through your windows? Make sure to enable the shortcut if it is not enabled. Then press Ctrl plus Windows key plus Enter and Windows will automatically open Narrator for you.
Narrator dialog. OK. Button. Narrator heading level 1. Taskbar. Pane. Scan up. Desktop list. My PC window. Devices and drives. Folders. Documents. Exiting Narrator.
10. Ctrl plus Windows key plus Backspace. History with timeline. This useful shortcut key will open your history and timeline easily. Just press Ctrl plus Windows key plus Backspace to go through. As you can see the history with required timeline. That's all for this tutorial. Hope you learned some useful keyboard shortcuts in Windows. Thanks for watching.